Hello class 7. In chapter 2 number system, we are discussing the conversion of different numbers. In today's class, we are going to discuss how to convert a hexadecimal number to a decimal number. Okay? How to convert a hexadecimal number to a decimal number. Now see, in our last computer class, we learned that how to convert a decimal to a hexadecimal. So to convert a decimal to a hexadecimal, we divide the number by 16. Like 2699, if you divide by 16, the quotient comes 168 and remainder comes 11, that is the hexa is B. Then again you divide 168 by 16, how many times? 10 times 160. So 168 minus 160, remainder 8. Okay, the same way we have done to convert 4966 to hexa. So what is the hexa of 4966? Divide 4966 by 16, how many times? 310 times. Again 310 divided by 16, how many times? 19 times. Remainder, both the remainder are 6. Again 16, how many times? 1 time, remainder 3. So this was done in our last class. Now we are going to do the vice versa. That means how to convert a hexadecimal number into decimal. To see, to convert the any hexadecimal number to its equivalent decimal form, follow the same method as in the case of binary to decimal or octal conversion. If you remember, to convert a binary to decimal, we multiply by 2. To convert a octal to decimal, to binary to octal, we multiply by 8. The same way, to convert a hexadecimal to a decimal, you have to multiply by 60. So see, we have taken the same number A8B. Now you want to convert this A8B, into, see, when we converted 2699 into hexa, the hexadecimal of 2699 is A8B. A means 10, 8, B means 11. Now let us see, if you convert it again from hexa to decimal, you must get the same digit. So the first number is A means 10, the right 10 into 16. After A, how many digits left? 2 digits. The 16 power 2 plus 8 into 16. After 8, how many digits? 1, the power 1. Plus B means 11. A means 10, B means 11. So 11 into 16 power 0. After B, there is no digit. Now 10 into 16 square. The 16 square means 60 into 16 comes 256, and 256 into 10. So 256 into 10 comes 2560. The same way 16 power 1 means 16 only. The 16 into 8, 128. Now last one, 11 into 16 power 0. The 16 power 0 means 1, and 1 into 11, 11 only. Now add 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. Then 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9. Now 1 plus 5, 6. And 2, so 2699. Now the second one was, when we converted 4966 to hexa, it came 1366. So now do the vice versa. Now you want to reconvert this 1366 into decimal. So we must get the same digit. So let us see. So 1366 hexadecimal into decimal. So first number is 1. The right 1 into 16. After 1, how many digits? 3 digits. The 16 power 3. Plus next digit 3. The 3 into 16. After 3, how many digits? 2 digits. The power 2. Plus 6 into 16. After the first 6, how many digits left? 1. 16 power 1. Plus again 6. 16 into 16. After the last 6, how many digits left? Nothing. So power 0. Now 1 into 16 cube. That means 16 into 16 into 16. Now let us see what comes. 16 into 16 again into multiply by 16. What comes? 4906. 4096. Let's see here, 4096. Now plus 3 into 16 square. The 16 square means 16 into 16, 256. So 256 into 3. The 256 into 3, 200. Okay, 256 56 into 3. What comes? 768. See 768. Okay. Next one, 16 into 6. 16 into 6, 96. Now last one, 6 into 16 power 0. The 16 power 0, 1. 1 into 6, 6. Now add 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. The 26, 6 carry 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 3, 26. Carry 2. The 2 plus 7, 9 and 4. 4966. Now the next conversion is conversion from a hexadecimal number to a binary number. The hexadecimal number system uses 16 digits, 0 to 15. So we can directly write the binary equivalent of each digit, each hexadecimal digit from 0 to 15 by using 4 bits. By using how many bits? 4 bits. Okay. Like octal, it is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. So hexadecimal digits are from 0 to 15. Now see, first digit is 0. Do you know the binary of 0 is 0 only? So left side will put 30 to make it 4 bit. Binary of 1 is 1 only. To make it 4, left side will put 30. Binary of 2 is 10. To make it 4, will put 20 left side. Binary of 3 is 11. To convert into 4 bit, left side will put 20. Binary of 4 is 100. To convert it 4 bit, put 10 left side. Binary of 5 is 101. To make it 4 bit, put 10 left side. Binary of 6 is 110. To make it 4 bit, put a 0 left side. The same way 7, 8, 9, 10. Binary of 10, binary of 9 is 1. Binary of 8 is 1000. Binary of 9 is 1001. Binary of 10 is 1010. So you can check all this binary by dividing by 2. So we'll be using this table, and using this table we can convert a hexadecimal number to a binary number. So suppose we have taken the first example. This is conversion 10. No, conversion 9. So we want to convert a hexadecimal number to a binary number. So we have taken a number 5 AC. So 5. So what is the binary of 5? Binary of 5 is 0101. So we have put 0101. Now A. So what is binary of A? Binary of A is 1010. Check it. 10. Binary of 10 is 1010. Okay. Now binary of C, 1100, 1100. Check binary of C, 12, 1100. Next, suppose you have taken DBA. DBA. So now you tell me, D means 13, 1101, B means 11, 1011, and A means 10, 1010. You just put it. Put the value in binary. The D 1101, B 1011, and A 1010. So we learned how to convert a hexadecimal to a binary number. Last conversion of this chapter is conversion from a binary number to a hexadecimal number. To convert a binary number to its equivalent hexadecimal number, what we'll do? Just we'll make the pattern of 4 bits from the right hand side. So to convert a binary number to equivalent hexadecimal, group the binary numbers in how many bits? 4 bits. From the which side? Right hand side. And you can add 0 to the left hand side to make number of bits into group of 4. If the leftmost digits are not 4 bit, then you can make it 4 bit by putting the 0. So let us see 1, 2, 3, 4. First group. This is the first group. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, it is already underlined. This also we can just underline in the group of 4 bits. Okay, this also. Now see, make 4 bit from the right side. 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the first group. Like octal to binary to octal, we make 3 bits, but binary to hexa 4 bits. So see, at last only 3 digits are there. To make it 4, put a 0. Now it is 4 bit. And now using the table, convert all these numbers into hexa. Okay, so what is first digit? First digit is 0110. 0110. The 0110, which number? 6. See, 6. So it is just right here 6. Then 0011, it is 3. 0111, 7. The same way, the next one, first 4 bit, first group, next 4, second, again last 4. So it is already 4, so nothing to do. The 1100 C, 1110 E, and 41 F. Now see the last one. Make 4 bit first group of 4 bit, second group of 4 bit. Now at last, how many digits are left? You can notice, you can see here only 2 digits are left. So what we'll put here? We'll put 20 to make it 4 bit. Okay, now 0 are here. Now it is group of 4 bit. So this way, make the 4 groups from the right side. So 0010 2, 1011, 1011 B, that is 11, and 1100 C, that is the 12. So we completed all the conversion of chapter 2, that is the number system. So thank you. You are write all these examples and practice. Thank you.